the Pro-CTCAE was designed to be easily amenable to use through multiple modes of administration, either paper, web, downloadable app, or IVRS, which is an automated telephone system. In fact, we tested administration of the Pro-CTCAE using all of these various modes in order to assure that patients were able to use the system easily through all of these modes, and that the data could be transferred to administration through each of them. We've conducted a number of both feasibility and usability studies, including patient self-reporting of their symptomatic adverse events. In general, we found that the vast majority of patients are willing and able to self-report their own adverse events electronically during participation in a clinical trial, with rates of compliance in the range of 90 to 95% at any given expected time point. Overall in these studies, we found also that the electronic systems that have been developed are highly usable, meaning that if there are contemporary approaches used for data visualization and data flow, the patients find these approaches very easy to use and can get through them rather quickly. So historically in cancer trials, my assessment is that due to the types of drugs that were initially being developed and the very challenging outcomes, we had a focus on other things. We had a focus on survival. We had a focus on mechanistic outcomes and radiographic outcomes. But as patients have started to live longer, as there have developed choices of which therapeutics to use, and as we've started to use more surrogate outcomes, or even non-surrogate, non-clinically meaningful outcomes, the patient perspective has become increasingly important. And alongside the recognition of this importance has been the development of a host of different patient-reported outcome tools that can be used to understand how patients feel and function during the conduct of a clinical trial.